Alright, so we're gonna continue. This time we're gonna find we're gonna double the area. Last time here we did half the area of the original figure. We're now gonna double, so it's under the same topic, reduction and enlargement of plane figures. We're gonna double the area of the square. So the square that we are gonna draw first, it has sides 40 millimeters. So we click on the line command. We have our ortho button on. Each side 40, so I'm going vertically down, 40, enter, across, 40, enter, up, 40, enter, and across, 40, enter, and escape. That is the square that we're going to double its sides, its area rather. I'm going to label this square. Let's go to text, multi-line text. This point will be D. This point will be C. This point B, and finally this point A. Let's shift the D a little bit with our move command. Click, click, enter, hold and move. Right, so we are going to extend this baseline here. When we see that red square, we click and we pull to the left. Let's pull this out about 60 millimeters. Enter. We are going to extend this one as well. Red square, click, moving up. Let's make that about 30. Enter. The next thing we're going to be doing is to join the diagonal from A to C. So the line command from A to C, click and escape. We are now going to draw a curve. So this the circle command, center and radius. A is the center, and the radius is from A to C. So my new point is right here, which is going to be E. Let me shift the D down a little bit. Good. And make a new letter right here. Which is E. Good. So one side of my square is from A to E. One side of my new square. Let's take a measurement here from A to E. That distance is 56.56. So we are going to mark off 56.56 across. So line from here, 56.56, and down 6.56, enter. Right, and that gives us our square. I'm going to trim the circle. We don't need this, we don't need that, we don't need that, don't need that, we don't need that. So here we have the square, which is twice the area of the smaller square ABCD. We could either extend the lines and then get the other two sides as I did a while ago, or we could simply extend after knowing the length of one side. So let me trim this line, we don't need that. Right. And then I'm gonna label the other 2 points F and G. So text, multi-text, F and G, and that's it. So we have over here a reduction, the original square reduced to half its size in terms of area, and here we have a square and then the larger square, which is twice in area, right? So that's it.